Shemai, my name is Maria, and I hope you're all well and you stay inside as much as you can, you're washing your hands and you're safe. Today I want to talk to you about what I do to keep myself fit and to be ready to get back at dancing as soon as possible during these strange times. I realized that if I have a schedule or a routine, it's a lot easier for me to get out of bed, not be lazy, and find some motivation. So what I do every day is waking up around 9-10 and start with a HIIT workout, which I usually follow on YouTube or Instagram, or a run. So depending on how I'm feeling that day, I would do one of these things. After that, I usually follow a ballet class, again on YouTube or Instagram, and I'm really enjoying that a lot of teachers, a lot of dancers, a lot of companies are offering classes on their social medias. I'm really enjoying this because it's giving me the opportunity to do classes with different teachers and to try different styles and see what other companies do, how they work. And I think this is really nice for a dancer. If you think that joining a ballet class could be a thing that you would like to do, you can always follow Ballet Cymru page, where every morning at 10 o'clock we add a new exercise to our class. Either before or after my ballet class, I would do some Pilates, which is also what I would normally do on a normal day if I was going to the studio. I would do it usually before class because I feel like it really warms up my muscles and it's good for me to start the day with that. So after I've been for a run or I've done a workout at home, then I've done my Pilates and my ballet class, I usually do half an hour, 40 minutes of stretching, or I follow a yoga class, as I feel like that really helps my muscles to stretch. And then sometimes I also do some strengthening exercises for my feet. So when we'll be back in point shoes, they'll be ready as possible. And that's pretty much everything I do to keep myself fit. But if you have any ideas or any suggestions that I could add to my daily routine, then I'd be more than happy to listen to them. And as well, if you want to let us know what you do during the isolation and what are your hobbies or anything that you would like to tell us, please send us a message or tag us in your posts, and we'd love to hear from you. That's all from me for today, and see you soon. Bye bye.